This is an Audi A6 A7 equipped with the MIB system. The original center console looks like this. Now we will demonstrate how to replace the OEM screen with our Linux screen. Use the pry to pry open the upper cover. Use the pry to pry open the left side cover, and remove the screws using the socket tool. Use the socket tool to remove the two screws fixing the air outlet panel. Use the pry to pry open the air outlet panel, and be careful to disconnect the middle connection. Unplug the cables from the air outlet panel. Use the screwdriver to remove the two screws fixing the OEM screen. Remove the OEM screen and unplug the cables. Of the cables behind the OEM screen, only the LUVD's cable needs to be connected. The other cables do not. In order to have enough operating space, we need to move the shifter all the way down. And we need to pull up the handbrake to prevent the car from rolling. Use the pry to pry open the air conditioning control panel. Unplug the air conditioner control panel wiring. Use the socket tool to remove the screw fixing the host unit. Unplug the cables underneath. Pull out the host unit. Unplug the OEM power cable from the head unit and reconnect it to the new cable harness. Then plug the new cable into the head unit. Install and secure the new bracket. Connect the new screen's power cable and OEM LUVD's cable. Restore the air conditioner vent panel. Secure the new screen with screws. Let's see the effect after installation.